Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the previous class, we have done the using the elementary transformation, find the inverse of the matrix of order 3 we have done. Today let us solve another problem. Using the elementary transformation, find the inverse of a matrices. He has given the matrices A of order 3 cross 3, of order 3 cross 3, 2 minus 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, then 3 minus 2, 2. So let us solve this problem. Let us take matrix A 2 minus 3 3 2 2 3 3 minus 2 2. Then let A is equal to I into A. A is equal to I into A. So A we should take 2 minus 3 3 2 2 3 3 minus 2 2 is equal to identity matrix of order 3 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 into A. So we have to change the A as an identity matrix by applying the properties, by using the properties elementary transformation. So let us take, so row 1, so row 1 changes to row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3. So what is in row 1? 2 minus 3 3, row 2 is 2 2 3, then 3 minus 2 2. So I have to apply the property row 1 changes to row 1 plus row 2. We should add row 1 and row 2. Then you have to subtract with row 3. So what is the row 1 element? The first element of row 1 is 2. Then plus row 2 element is 2. Then subtract 3. You are getting 4 plus 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. So row 1 changes to means 2 plus 2 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. Again, so second element of row 1 is minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. So let us take here minus 3 plus 2. Then you have to subtract with row 3 element is minus of minus 2. Then minus 3 plus 2, minus into minus plus 2. Then 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. So again we got here 1. So next element, third element 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. So we have written here 4. Same thing you have to apply in the right side. So right side you have to go in the right side. So in the right side first two element is 1. The second element is 0. Minus 0. Then you are getting 1. So we have written here 1. So again next here second element 0 plus 1 plus 1 minus 0. Then you are getting plus 1. Then third element 0 plus 0 minus 1, that is equal to minus 1. So we have changed the row 1 only. Then we have to write the row 2 as an 2 2 3. Then here right side row 2 as an 0 1 0. Then row 3 3 minus 2 2. 3 minus 2 2, you have to write same thing. Then 0 0 1 0 0 1. So let us go for the next step here. Row 2 changes to row 2 minus 2r1, means you have to change the row 2, then subtract with row 1 by multiplying with a scalar multiple as in 2. So yeah, so let us change. So write the first row 1 as it is. Row 1 is, what is row 1? 1 1 4. Row 1 is 1 1 4. We have to write same thing in the right side also. You have to write 1 minus 1. Then you have to change the row 2. So row 2 element is 2. So row 2 element is 2 minus 2 minus we have to multiply scalar multiple with row 1, means minus 2 into 1. What happens here? 2 minus 2, then plus 2 minus 2 get cancels. So we have to write here row 1, row 2 changes to 0. Then second element of row 2 is 2. 2 should be multiplied with 2 into 1. Then you are getting again the 0 here. The second element also you are getting 0 only. Then the third element is 3. 3 minus 2 into 4. Then what happens here? 3 minus 8. You are getting minus 5. The third element is minus 5. And write the third row same as it is. 3 minus 2, then 2. Let us go for the next right side. Right side first row is 1, 1, minus 1. Then second row have to change. Let us change the second row. What is the second row first element? The second row first element is a 0 here. 0 minus 2 into 1. You are getting minus 2. Then second row second element is 1. 1 minus 2 into 1, then you are getting 1 minus 2 means minus 1. I'll write here minus 1. The next third element is 0. Then 0 should be multiplied. 0 minus 2 into minus 1 means 0 minus into minus plus 2. You are getting 2. 2 you have to write here in the third element. Please. Then next the third row you should write as usual here 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. So let us go for the next step. So next step is you have to change the R3 changes to R3 minus 3R1. So here R3 should be changed. R3 changes to R3 minus 3R1. So let us write here first row as same here 1 1 4 1 1 4. Then second row is 0 0 minus 5 0 0 minus 5. Next our intention is to change the here. So row 3. So row 3 changes to row 3 first element is minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 of 1. 3 of 1 means you are getting 0. You are getting 0 here. Next, here second element is minus 2 minus 2 minus 3 of 1, then minus 2 minus 3, then it will become minus 5. So second element is minus 5. Then let us go for the next third element. Third element is 2. 2 minus 3 of 4, then 2 minus 12, then that is equal to minus 10. The third element we got minus 10. Let us go for the right side. In the right side, the first row you should write same 1 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 1. The second row minus 2 minus 1, then 2. Then we have to change the third row. So here let us change the third row. So third row first element is 0. 0 minus 3 into R1 is 1. Then we are getting minus 3 here. So let us go for the next one. Next element 0 here. Here 0 minus 3 into 1, that is equal to minus 3. Again you got the second element as a minus 3. Then the third element you have to change. The third element is 1 minus 3 into 1. Then what happens here? 1 minus 3 means minus 2. We are getting here. So third element is 1 minus of 3 into minus 1 means 1 minus into minus plus, then that is equal to 4. So we got here 4. Then you have to write into A. Then let us go for the next step here. So what is the next step here? R2 changes to R3. So we have to shift here R2, means because here in the second row 0 0 minus 5 is there. In the third row is 0 minus 5 minus 10 is there. So in this 0 second row you should get 1 here. So we are shifting the second row to the third and third row to the, so you have written here row 2 changes symbolically. Row 2 changes to row 3 means row 2 is shifted to row 3. Then row 3 elements are shifted to row 2. So here 0 0 minus 5 0 0 minus 5 0 0 minus 5 shifted to 0 0 minus 5 shifted to row 3. Then 0 minus 5 10 is shifted to row 2. Here same thing you have to write here in the right side also. Row 3 should be written. Row 3 elements are minus 3 minus 3 minus 4 is shifted to row 2. Then row 2 elements are shifted to minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 are shifted to row 3. So you have to shift the in the left and right side. So let us go for the next step here. In the second row, so first row, let us write the first row as 1 1 4 1 1 4. If you observe in the second row, there is the element 0 minus 5 and minus 10 are there. These are the multiples of 5. So let us change. R2 changes to minus 1 by 5 into R2, means R2 we have to change here. Let us write the R1 as 1 1 4 1 1 4. If you multiply with R2 with minus 1 by 5, then 0 into minus 1 by 5 is 0. So minus 5 into minus 1 by 5 means you are getting 1. If you multiply with minus 10 into minus 1 by 5, minus into minus plus, you will get 10 by 5. 10 by 5 means you can write 2. So here next step is, in the third step you have to write 0 0 minus 5, you have to write same as it is in the above. Then in the right side, 1 1 minus 1 is the first row. Then the second row is, if you multiply with minus into minus plus, 3 by 5 you are getting. Then again minus 1 by 5 into minus 3 means 3 by 5 you are getting. Again minus 1 by 5 into 4 you are getting minus 4 by 5. Then the third row is minus 2 minus 1, 2 you have to write same as it is. So the next element is the third row you have to change. R3 changes to minus 5 and minus 1 by 5 into R3. So R3 you should change minus 1 by 5 into R3. So let us write the first here, left side matrix. First row is 1 1 4 1 1 4. The second row is 0 1 2 0 1 2. Then you have to change the third row. Third row means you have to multiply with minus 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5 into 0 is 0. 0 minus 1 by 5 into 0 is 0. So here minus 1 by 5 into minus 5, minus into minus plus, 5 by 5 means you are getting 1 here. In the right side you have to write same thing. So here first row should write as it is 1 1 1 1 minus 1. Then in the second row 3 by 5 then minus 4 by 5 you have to write. Then again you have to change the third row should be multiplied with minus 2 with minus 1 by 5 means minus into minus plus, 2 by 5 you are getting. Minus 1 by 5 into minus 1 is 1 by 5. Again 2 into minus 1 by 5 is you are getting minus 2 by 5 here. Then let us go for the next step here. Row 2 changes to row 2 minus 2 or 3, means row 2 should be changed with row 2 R2 minus 2 R3. So let us write the first row 1 1 4 1 1 4 I have written here. I have to change here row 2 element is 0. 0 should be multiplied 0 here. 0 minus 2 into 0 means you are getting here second row first element is 0. Then again 1 minus 2 into 0 you are getting here 1 minus 0, then you are getting the element is 1 only. Again here 2 into minus 2 of 2 into 1 means here you are getting 0. The third element of second row is 0 you are getting. Third row you should write 0 0 1 0 0 1 you have to write here. Then here next in the right side, let us go in the right side. The first row is 1 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 1. The second row you have to change here. In the second row first element is 3 by 5 minus 2 into R3 element is 2 by 5. If you take here multiply 3 by 5 then minus 4 by 5 you are getting. So denominators are same, means LCM 5. Then LCM 5 means 3 minus 4 you are getting minus 1 by 5. You got the here first element is minus 1 by 5. So again let us go for the second element. Second element is 3 by 5 minus 2 into 1 by 5 here what we are getting 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5. Then denominators are same, so numerator can be subtracted. 3 minus 2 means 1 by 5. We got 1 by 5 here. Again same thing here. Here second third element is minus 4 by 5. Then minus 4 by 5 is subtracted with minus 2 into R3 element is minus 2 by 5. Here minus into minus plus happens. Here 4 by 5, so here it will get cancelled. Minus 4 by 5 plus 4 by 5 get cancelled, you are getting 0. Then third row should write 2 by 5 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5, same thing. Then let us go for the next step here. So already if you observe here, the second row and the third element are third row are we got here. The second row is 0 1 0. Then third row is 0 0 1. Then you have to change only the first row. In the first row you should get the second element and the third element should be 0. So you have to change that one. So let us change that. R1 should be changed to R1 minus 4R3. Means R1 should be changed. R1 should be changed. Then R1 is subtracted with 4R3. Means let us change your right side. So here R1 is 1. R1 is here 1. 1 minus 4 R3. R3 is 0. Then what happens? 1 minus 0 means 1. You got here 1. Then again the second element is 1. 1 minus here 1 minus 4 into 0. So you are getting here 1 only 1 we got. Again you have to change the third element. Third element is 0. Third element is 4. 4 minus of 4 into 1. Then you are getting 0. We got here. So 0. So second we should write 0s 1 0. Then third element is 0 0 1. You have to write same as it is. That is equal to, let us go for the right side. In the right side, what happens in the first row? The right side first element of first row is 1. 1 minus 4 into R3 element is 2 by 5. If you multiply 1 minus 8 by 5, if you take LCM 5 minus 8 by 5, then you are getting minus 3 by 5. The first element is minus 3 by 5 you got here, minus 3 by 5. Then next second element is 1 minus 4 into R3 is 1 by 5. 1 by 5 means 1 minus 4 by 5. If you take LCM here, 5 minus 4 by 5 means you are getting 1 by 5. You got 1 by 5 of the second element of first row. Then the third element of first row is minus 1 minus 4 of minus 2 by 5 means minus 1 minus into minus plus 8 by 5. If you take LCM here, minus 5 plus 8 by 5, then if you subtract means 3 by 5 you got. So write the same. Second row as in minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0. And third element is 2 by 5, 1 by 5 and minus 2 by 5 into 8. So you got the here in the first row 1 1 0. Now you should eliminate the 1 here. So to eliminate the 1, let us subtract with R1 changes to R1 minus R2. R1 should be subtracted with R1 minus R2, means 1 minus 0 means 1. 1 minus 0 means, R1 is subtracted with R2. Okay, 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Then 0 minus 0 is 0. So you got the first row. Then second row as it is 0 1 1, 0 1 0. And third row is 0 0 1. You have to write. In the right side you have to apply same thing. R2 should be subtracted with R1 is subtracted with R2. So R1 element is minus 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5 is subtracted with R minus 1 by 5. So here minus 3 by 5, minus into minus plus 1 by 5. Then so bases are same, means numerator can be added. So minus 2 by 5. So we got the minus 2 by 5 in the right side first row, first element. Then second element is 1 by 5. 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5 means you are getting 0. Second element is 0. Then again third element is 3 by 5. 3 by 5 minus 0 means 3 by 5 only. So we got the third element also. Then write the second row, minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0. Then 2 by 5, 1 by 5, and minus 2 by 5. So that is equal to, say A inverse is equal to minus 2 by 5, 0. Then 3 by 5, minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0. Then 2 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5. So this is the answer. If you have to verify means, so verify by using the A is equal to A into A inverse is equal to I. So in this exercise 3.4 there are two problems. Then you solve the two problems by yourself.